Hello guys, welcome with another video. So in this video we will just know how to build a block, or you can say example. We have to just go for one simulation. So in first video we just came to know how to go for trial version. So here you have to click here for open online. So it will load. If you will install that MATLAB, it will also make your device slow, that if your laptop or PC is not a good version, so that will take more time, so you have to just wait while it's just overloading. So you have to just wait. Let's see what it will just show. So it's just opening. So from here you can see in the new tab, or you can say whole MATLAB is showing here. So you have to just see if everything is showing one by one. So it's a very heavy software, so you have to just wait for a moment. So from here you can see these different things. So for Simulink you have to just click here. You have to click for here maximize. So for blank model you have to click here for create, and for these different you can see these different when you will go down. So it's made from MATLAB side. You can also see these also. So you have to just go for here. So for example, we are working on some new tools. So from here you can see the library function. So here it will just load. So this is called a command of that MATLAB. So this is a library, or you can say every block what you are going to work on. So from here you can see sampling of commonly used blocks, continuous, and dashboard. And when you will go down, you can see more and more blocks. So from here you can see the sine wave block, and here it is a gain block, and this is a scope block. So we can see there is a factor of 3 with this gain block. So let's just run this. So you can just see the result of. You can also press the F5 for your result. So you have to just wait while it's just compiling. So from here you can see the result. For result you have to click on your scope. So from here you will see your results. So it's just loading. Let's see. So here is the sine wave of this. So if we will just change the gain block for example type, so let's just change this value. So let's see what will it show, or you can say what will be the result in scope. So for that you have to just double click here in gain block, and you can just change the value. So let's just discuss how did we just find this sine block, then gain block, and scope block. For this first block, that is a sine block, you have to click in library and you have to go for sources. It just I just click on this gain block, so maybe it's just loading. So we will just discuss it a little bit later. So from here you can see these are different blocks. So when you go down you can see the sources. So from here sources you can see different blocks. So this is our first, and for rest, or you can just search these things from here search bar. So you can just find your block directly, because at the start you don't know where the block is, in which folder. So this is a simple way of finding your block. So just click here on gain block. Let's see. So just for example we are just clicking on 4. So it's just loading. You have to just wait while it's working. So it's a heavy software. Either you download it, or you can just go through online. So I just click 4, and then I'm clicking on run. So you can see it's just taking more time as compared to other softwares because those softwares run easily. So you can see this kind of will appear. So when we will click here on scope, so you can just see your results. So I just double click on scope, or you can right click here and show the result. That will also be shown here. So just wait. So I just double click on this scope. So let's see the result by a factor of 4, what it is showing. So it just takes sometimes more time as compared to others. So here you can see these results. So let's just run this again because we just clicked first time gain of 3. Now it is a gain of 4. So here you can see the result. So this is a basic. So we will discuss modules later on. So this is all from my side. These are the basic blocks that how we can run. So let's just discuss one by one simulation blocks. So thanks so much for watching.